Running a business without using financial data is like driving blindfolded. You might be moving, but do you know if you're headed in the right direction? In this video, we'll break down how small business owners can use financial data to make better decisions, increase profitability, and reduce risks. To make informed decisions, you first need to understand key financial metrics. Revenue and expenses. Are you making more than you're spending? Cash flow. Do you have enough cash to cover short-term needs? Profit margins. How much are you really earning after costs? Accounts receivable and payable. Are you collecting payments on time and paying vendors efficiently? Tracking these numbers regularly can prevent surprises and help you plan ahead. Financial reports aren't just numbers, they tell a story. Look at trends over time. Are sales increasing or slowing down? Compare actual versus projected performance. Are you hitting your goals? Analyze seasonal trends. Do certain months bring in more revenue? By spotting patterns early, you can adjust your strategies before it's too late. Now, how do you use this data to make better decisions? Budgeting and cost control. Cut unnecessary expenses and allocate resources wisely. Pricing strategy. Set competitive prices based on profit margins and market trends. Growth planning. Use data to decide when to expand, hire, or invest in new products. Risk management. Identify potential cash shortages or financial risks before they happen. Financial data removes guesswork and helps you make decisions based on facts, not feelings. Your financial data is a powerful tool, but only if you use it. Start tracking your numbers, analyze trends, and make data-driven decisions for business success. Want expert help with your finances? Contact WSC Accounting today.